Civil service exam reviewer. Vocabulary. Can you get 10 out of 10? The director remained surprisingly blank during the financial crisis, reassuring both employees and investors. A. Frantic. B. Composed. C. Irritated. D. Uncertain. The correct answer is letter B. Composed. Composed means calm and in control of one's emotions. Her proposal was praised for being both creative and highly blank to the company's long-term goals. A. Irrelevant. B. Applicable. C. Contradictory. D. Excessive. The correct answer is letter B. Applicable. Applicable means relevant or suitable for a particular situation. The witness gave a remarkably blank description of the incident, including even minor details. A. Vague. B. Elaborate. C. Careless. D. Reluctant. The correct answer is letter B. Elaborate. Elaborate means detailed and carefully developed. The team's success was largely due to their ability to blank quickly to changing market conditions. A. Resist. B. Adapt. C. Hesitate. D. Withdraw. The correct answer is letter B. Adapt. Adapt means to adjust effectively to new conditions. Although the criticism was harsh, she accepted it with admirable blank. A. Hostility. B. Maturity. C. Confusion. D. Arrogance. The correct answer is letter B. Maturity. Maturity refers to emotional balance, responsibility, and good judgment. The article presents a blank argument supported by strong evidence and reliable data. A. Persuasive. B. Careless. C. Biased. D. Superficial. The correct answer is letter A. Persuasive. Persuasive means convincing and effective in influencing others. His explanation was so blank that even beginners could understand the concept immediately. A. Complex. B. Accessible. C. Rigid. D. Controversial. The correct answer is letter B. Accessible. Accessible means easy to understand or approach. The company faced severe backlash after making several blank statements during the interview. A. Diplomatic. B. Controversial. C. Harmless. D. Rational. The correct answer is letter B. Controversial. Controversial means causing disagreement or public debate. The manager appreciated employees who were willing to take blank when leading new projects. A. Initiative. B. Precaution. C. Permission. D. Hesitation. The correct answer is letter A. Initiative. Initiative means the ability to act independently and proactively. The speaker's calm tone helped blank the tension in the crowded meeting room. A. Intensify. B. Diffuse. C. Provoke. D. Complicate. The correct answer is letter B. Diffuse. Diffuse means to reduce tension, conflict, or danger. What is your score?